2026 Ford GT returns as one of the most exciting American hypercars ever created, combining race, proven engineering, breathtaking performance, and a design that looks like it belongs on a futuristic racetrack, built to honor Ford's legendary motorsport heritage while pushing the boundaries of modern automotive technology. The latest Ford GT is more than just a supercar, it's a statement of speed, innovation, and American excellence. From the very first glance, the 2026 Ford GT commands attention. Its low slung stance, aggressive aerodynamic profile, and sculpted bodywork create a dramatic presence unlike anything else on the road. Every curve and vent serves a purpose, helping to maximize airflow and reduce drag. The signature flying buttresses remain one of the GT's most recognizable features, channeling air efficiently around the vehicle while giving it a truly exotic appearance. Sharp LED lighting, a wide front splitter, and a race-inspired rear diffuser further emphasize its performance, focused character. The active rear wing automatically adjusts based on speed and driving conditions, providing the perfect balance of downforce and stability. Step inside and the cockpit immediately reminds you that this machine was designed with the driver in mind. The interior is minimalist yet sophisticated, blending premium materials with cutting-edge technology. Carbon fiber surfaces, Alcantara accents, and lightweight components create a purposeful environment focused on performance. The fixed seating position is inspired by professional race cars, while the adjustable pedals and steering wheel allow drivers to find their ideal driving position. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time vehicle information, and the intuitive infotainment system offers seamless connectivity through smartphone integration, navigation, and advanced vehicle controls. Every detail inside the cabin reflects Ford's commitment to delivering an authentic driving experience. Powering the 2026 Ford GT is an advanced twin, turbocharged EcoBoost engine engineered to deliver astonishing performance. Producing well over 700 horsepower, this power plant transforms the GT into a true hypercar capable of competing with some of the world's most exclusive machines. Paired with a lightning, fast dual-clutch transmission, power is delivered smoothly and efficiently, allowing the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3 seconds. Top speed is expected to exceed 215 miles per hour, placing the Ford GT among the fastest production cars available. Performance is about much more than straight-line speed, and the Ford GT proves that on every corner. Its lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis provides exceptional rigidity while keeping weight to a minimum. Advanced suspension technology continuously adapts to changing road conditions, ensuring outstanding handling and driver confidence. Whether attacking a winding mountain road or setting lap times on a race circuit, the GT offers precision, responsiveness, and balance that few vehicles can match. Massive carbon, ceramic brakes provide incredible stopping power, helping drivers maintain complete control even during high-speed driving. Technology plays a major role in the GT's performance as well. Sophisticated drive modes allow drivers to customize the vehicle's behavior for normal roads, track sessions, wet conditions, and maximum performance situations. Aerodynamic systems, traction management, and electronic controls work together seamlessly to enhance both speed and safety. The result is a hypercar that feels incredibly capable while remaining surprisingly approachable for skilled enthusiasts. As expected, exclusivity comes at a premium. The 2026 Ford GT is anticipated to carry a starting price of around $750,000, with highly customized versions potentially exceeding the $1 million mark. Production numbers are expected to remain extremely limited, ensuring that ownership remains a rare privilege reserved for a select group of collectors and enthusiasts. The 2026 Ford GT represents everything great about American performance engineering. It delivers stunning design, world-class technology, breathtaking speed, and an unforgettable driving experience. For those fortunate enough to own one, the Ford GT is not just a car, it's a modern automotive masterpiece that continues Ford's legacy of challenging the world's best supercars and proving that American innovation can compete at the very highest level.